Hello. Good morning. You want to say good morning to your Auntie Chris? Me? Oh. What you doing? Are you a good girl, Annabelle? No more kibbles left. Get out of the kitchen. Annabelle. I can see your tail. Get out of the kitchen. Come here. Come here, Annabelle. Oh, that's a good girl. Hello. Well, hello. Good morning. How are you? Oh, look at your nice wavy back hair. Oh, do you ever look good? Yes, do you ever look good? Are you still hungry? Are you still hungry, Annabelle? Okay, I have a question for you. Annabelle, would you like a cookie? Would you like a cookie, Annabelle? Hey? Okay, let's go get a cookie. Let's go get a cookie. Yeah, come here. We'll get a cookie. There's a cookie bucket opening. You don't like being on camera? Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Yeah.